Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? I hope you'll be always happy and healthy. Before we start our lesson today, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dwiky Putra Dermawan. For today, I want to share about English material. These are comparative and superlative. Have you known comparative and superlative? Or you have known the one of those? If not, let we see it. What are comparatives and superlatives? We use comparative and superlative to say how people or things are different. We use a comparative adjective to express how two people or things are different. And we use a superlative adjective to show how one person or thing is different to all the others of its kind. For example, Mick is taller than Jack. Mick is the tallest person in the family. Now, let's focus on the details of how to create each of these adjectives. And now I want to explain about a comparative. There are three different cases in comparative. The first, more for long adjectives. We add the word more in front to create the comparative. For example, this hotel is more expensive than the last hotel we stayed. The second, er for short adjectives. We add er to create the comparative. For example, 1. Taking the bus is cheaper than taking the car. 2. This box is heavier than that one. Third, irregular comparatives. Here are the irregular comparatives. Good, better, bad, worse, far, further, fun, and fine. For example, 1. Your cooking is better than my cooking. 2. Arriving late is worse than arriving early. And now let's move on to superlative. There are three different cases for superlative. The first, the most for long adjectives. If an adjective has two or more syllables, we add the most in front to create the superlative form. For example, 1. She is the most determined candidate we've seen today. 2. It's the most difficult part of my job. 3. This is the most successful year the company's ever had. The second, est for short adjectives. If an adjective has one syllable or two syllables with y as the second syllable, we add est to create the superlative. For example, 1. It's the shortest route to the stadium. 2. What's the longest flight you've ever taken? 3. He's He's the nice guy I've met here. As with comparatives, if an adjective ends in a vowel and consonant, example sad, you need to double the final consonant. For example, saddest, fittest, hottest. The third, irregular superlatives. The same adjectives that are irregular for comparatives are also irregular for the superlative form, which are good, bad, words, far, fortress, fun. Here are some examples. 1. Is this the best place to eat in town? 2. Yesterday's performance was my worst ever. That's all from me today about comparative and superlative. Thank you for your attention. See you in another day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.